time is on schedule, so we will continue from the next presenter.
Thank you,
Give
Pak
applause
Giyanto.
to Mr. Sukya.
Yes,
Salam
true.
untuk Pak Iwan Suja.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we will next presenter, Bapak Giyanto, Mr. Giyanto, and about the effectiveness of online learning by a puzzle in polymer materials on student problem-solving skills. Mr. Giyanto, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Wahyu Hari Kristianto. I will share screen.
Okay.
Well, thanks to the committee for the opportunity to present my research. Mr. Wahyu, sudah kelihatan share screen dari saya, Mr. Wahyu?
Ini yang tampil yang Google Meet, Gmeet-nya, Pak.
Oh, Gmeet-nya ya?
Iya, yang PPT-nya tuh. Ya, itu PPT. Ya, sip.
Oke, baik. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, participants of the 15th Joint Conference on Chemistry, Faculty of Science and Mathematics, Universitas Kristen Satya Wacana. Let me introduce myself. My name is Giyanto. I am a student from Department of Science Education, Graduate School of Pakuan University, Bogor. I am also a teacher at the Public Vocational High School 1 Kekerpitung, Sukabumi, West Java. In this opportunity, I would like to present the result of my research about learning media development in educational field. The title of my presentation is The Effectiveness of Online Learning by a Puzzle in Polymer Materials on Students' Problem-Solving Skills. So let's start. This research is motivated by condition where the This research is motivated by condition when the COVID-19 pandemic has not shown better improvement. What has happened is an increase of the cases. Currently, more than 200,000 cases have been recorded in our country, Indonesia. Meanwhile, learning must continue regardless of the conditions. These conditions causes students to learn to use smartphone, which causes internet use to increase dramatically, especially the use of videos from YouTube in learning. However, it was found that not all students watch the video from beginning to end. In the other hand, problem-solving skills in the polymer field are very important because it is one of the 21st century skills that students should have. So that in this case, interactive media is needed, which is able to identify what is the student, number one, really listen to learning, understand the topic that have been studied, and as students are able to solve problems around them related to polymer chemistry and waste. Research goals. There are three main objectives of this research. They are number one, to produce learning media that is able to analyze students who have listened to the topic correctly In this case, it is proposed to use the Edpuzzle media. And number two, knowing or understanding the effectiveness of using Edpuzzle learning media on student problem-solving skills. And number three, understanding or knowing the effectiveness of the Edpuzzle on student activities. Literature review. There are 5 aspects of problem-solving skills indicators based on categories from Mortos et al. 2004, namely aspect of defining a problem, examining a problem, planning a solution, implementing a solution, and evaluating. Flipped learning, and the last, online learning with tools. Edpuzzle is specialized software that allows teachers to turn standard videos into interactive teaching tools. This can be done in a number of different ways, such as adding audio commentary to link the video to the class, and organizing a video quiz to help students learn in engaging and exciting way. The next, methodology. This study was designed using an experimental research method that refers to Giyanto, 2017. The experiment aims to examine the impact of using Edpuzzle on students' problem-solving skills. Student selection is done by purposive sampling. The research procedure includes 3 stages. They are planning stage, implementation stage, and the final stage. The planning stage, it covers curriculum analysis of core competencies, basic competencies, learning indicators, and learning objectives, preparing the completeness of learning instruments and research instrument. And implementation stage, it's cover pre-test, the implementation of learning using Edpuzzle, then ends with a post-test to measure students' problem-solving skills. Implementation stage held on SMKN1 Kekerbitung, Sukabumi, and involve 70 students. And the last one, final stage, it's cover conducting data analysis, discussion, and drawing research conclusions. Result and discussion. Edpuzzle development results can be accessed at the website address below. There are 2 aspects developed, content and presentation. The content of the Edpuzzle being developed is contextual, or according to the real condition of the students. The presentation in Edpuzzle have the specification, constructivist and student-centered, stimulate problem-solving abilities through video analysis activities, interactive, and learning can be done online. Here is the front view of Edpuzzle. When this button hit, the video will start. When it gets here, the video stops and students must answer questions. Likewise with this one. So there are 5 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions that students must answer, so that we know who students watched the video from beginning to end and who didn't watch or only watched but part of it. Then we can give the student grade here or in a grade book. Okay, after implementing learning with the Edpuzzle based on pre-post-test data processing, The end gain result was obtained. End gain medium category or 0.63, and student activities of 91% or high category, and positive student feedback is 78% or good in category based on Arikonto 2013. And problem solving ability, there are 5 indicators: defining problems, checking problems, planning solution, implementing solution, and evaluating. The percent end gain highest are checking problem with 72%, and the lowest category or indicators are planning solution with the percent end gain 53, and criteria medium. Ladies and gentlemen, from the research conducted, it was found that an increase in the pre-posted score with an end gain in medium category. This proves that learning with a puzzle can improve students' problem-solving skills. This finding is strengthened by t-test that this learning is very significant in improving student problem-solving skills in polymer materials. Increased problem-solving skills are caused by the learning video content that is displayed, so it can stimulate students to think a higher level in this polymer chemistry learning. A video about the problem of waste in Indonesia, which is so severe. The increase in the score of problem-solving skills that is very significant is also caused by this learning carried out personally. In face-to-face learning that is carried out in class, the teacher faces many students. So in this digital age, students can carry out their learning process personally through a smartphone by utilizing online learning. This personal learning has the advantage of providing opportunities for students to be able to focus on learning without any distraction from others, or in other words, this learning can increase students' learning independence. The conclusion. Okay, there are 3 points for conclusions. Number 1, learning media products in the form of Edpuzzle are suitable for use. Second, Edpuzzle improves students' problem-solving skills. And the last one, Edpuzzle is effective to use in online learning. This is my presentation. Thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking forward for your questions. Then the host will guide you again. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Giyanto. Okay, this is any question from Mrs. Putri from UPI. I want to ask some questions. Can all the subjects use a puzzle application? Is this application suitable for productive subjects like in SMK? From Mr. Sutria.
Okay, thank you
for defining problem by student. Yes, Pak Giyanto, can you show the puzzle that you have developed? Okay, Pak Ki. 3 questions for you. Diringkas.
Yes. Okay. The number 1 question says, I think not all lessons have to use puzzles. Maybe each lesson has its own characteristic. The productive subject, for example, are most suitable for direct practice. Yeah, not theory. Direct practice is better. Mathematics is also more compatible with maybe with the other media. Yeah. I recommend using Edpuzzle for video analysis. For example, in social science and maybe in natural science lesson that don't use mathematical concept. But this is not a certainty. It is worth trying how much effectiveness it will be. So if the media is suitable, use it. Demikian Pak Hari.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for your attention and to Mr. Ki. Sorry, the time was on schedule, so we will continue for the next presenter. Keep applause for Mr. Giyanto.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ki. Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Wahyu.
Next presenter, Ibu Istiqomah.